Hi friends, this is Narmi and Rohit. These days we are witnessing many bunds in Hyderabad. Now let us know how youngsters are feeling about these bunds. Which college you are studying?
I'm from Massive, mechanical engineering.
Nowadays you are facing a lot of bunds. No, what's your opinion on that?
It's good to have bunks, but very frequent and consecutive bunks will somewhat kind of interruption for our accounts. So it's a bit difficult for us to focus on studies. So we gotta have bunks, but it's like for a week, a Sunday, like that. Somewhat, if these politicians and all plan in that way, that would be better, I guess.
Do you support Telangana or these bunds?
I obviously support Telangana, but not these bunks,
Are you from Telangana region?
Yeah, I'm a local candidate.
Now let's ask some more youngsters. What do you do?
I'm studying.
So,
Yes, sir.
what's your name?
My name is Vaibhav.
So what's your opinion on the bunds which is going on in Hyderabad?
The bunds which are going consecutively in Hyderabad is really affecting the middle class family, and the daily labors, like they earn at a daily wages, so this affects a lot on them, and it's of course affecting the educational institutions too. It's creating an impact on the students too. So I prefer the bunch should be somewhat meaningful, and they should do the buns.
So do you support this Telangana?
Supporting this Telangana issue is not at all about my criteria, but
So what's your opinion? I'm just asking your opinion.
yeah, my opinion is about just we can do buns, but
In a
somewhat
peaceful way.
with a peaceful way and a sensible way.
Thank you. Let's find some more youngsters in the park. Let's ask them. What's your name?
I'm Pavan.
What's yours?
I'm Devan.
What do you do?
I'm a student at Guru Nanak Institutions.
So what's your opinion about the bunds which are happening in Hyderabad?
Speaking of this band, transportation has been severely affected. Actually, I'm not a resident in this area. I am staying in my friend's room. When I think about going in RTC is not available. When I think about autos, they're demanding more charges, taking advantage of this situation. And moreover, bunds education is getting damaged. Middle class society, they are the people who get affected severely because of this. High class society, it doesn't matter to them if it's a bund or not.
So what's your opinion? What the other bunds should be continued or?
This much frequency of bunds, it's not necessary. One bund per week, it's enough to put required amount of pressure on the government. But putting pressure on students, this is not necessary.
So my opinion.
Yeah, I too feel the same, but but students are going to the college for some, studying. So these frequent bunds are not necessary actually. If one or two bunds are there, they can refresh so that they can go to college or concentrate more. But these frequent bunds and etc. makes a problem, and moreover the fees. Students pay a lot of fees, and so that's the opinion.
Thank you. Now let us ask experienced people how they are feeling about the bunds. What's your opinion about the bunds which are happening in Hyderabad?
This band is always there in all our societies. This affects to all our children's educations. Even the people, those who are coming outside, anywhere, whether it is in Hyderabad or in Bombay or in London, wherever band is there, that affects to all this thing. So we should, any problem we can discuss in the table or sit together, discuss whatever. Band should not be called. It is affecting our new generation coming for the education, and students should not be involved in this band. That must be.
We have seen what youngsters are saying. They are saying that bunds are affecting their education, transportation, and other sectors of life. They are feeling that bunds is only the way to protest. They are feeling that bunds should be done in such a way that it should not affect the common man's life. Next time we will be coming with another issue. Thank you. This is Rohit reporting with Kiran Narmi.